Hi, everyone. It's Rachael Smith here with Remax and Big Bear. If you're dreaming about turning your mountain cabin into a high performing Airbnb, you've come to the right place. With years of experience in short term rentals and a few of my own, I've seen firsthand what it takes to make a property stand out and bring in steady bookings. Today, I'm going to be sharing my top 5 tips for turning your cabin into an Airbnb goldmine. These strategies aren't just about getting more bookings, they're about maximizing your income while offering your guests an unforgettable experience. So let's dive in. Tip number 1. Create a memorable theme. So, in this first step, I want you to design your cabin with a standout theme. Guests love unique experiences, and a well executed theme can make your property unforgettable. Here's a few examples: a rustic mountain retreat with log furniture and wildlife accents, or maybe it's a modern Scandinavian design with clean lines and cozy textiles, or it could even be a family friendly cabin with board games, bunk beds, and outdoor activities. Just choose a theme that reflects the beauty of Big Bear and makes the guests feel like they're getting more than just a place to sleep. They're getting an experience. Invest in small but impactful touches like themed decor, high quality linens, and personalized welcome signs. Tip number 2, stand out with your photos. Next up, your photos are everything. Most Airbnb guests decide to book based on photos alone, so make them count. And here's how. Hire a professional photographer to showcase your property in the best light. Include a mix of wide-angle shots, close-ups of unique details, and outdoor views. Highlight special features like a cozy fireplace, a hot tub, or stunning mountain views. And remember, your photos are the first impression. They'll set the tone for what guests expect, so make it a great one. Tip number 3, optimize for all seasons. Big Bear is a year-round destination, so your cabin should be ready for every season. And here's how to optimize. In winter, offer snow shovels, sled, and a cozy fireplace. In summer, provide outdoor seating, barbecue equipment, and hiking maps. Highlight activities like skiing, lake adventures, or fall foliage tours in your listing description. Guests love knowing that they'll have a great stay no matter when they visit. So show them that your cabin is the perfect choice any time of the year. Tip number 4, provide exceptional amenities. Tip number 4 is all about delivering exceptional amenities. Think beyond the basics to wow your guest. So stock your kitchen with essentials like coffee, tea, spices, anything local. Of course, offer high-speed Wi-Fi and streaming services for tech-savvy travelers. Include extras like a hot tub, a game room, or bikes for exploring. If you have an Airbnb in Big Bear in the wintertime and no hot tub, expect it to be vacant. Don't forget about the small touches, like a welcome basket or local snacks or a handwritten note. These details make guests feel valued and ensure great reviews. And tip number 5, nail your listing and communication. Finally, your listing and communication can make or break your success. Here's how to get it right. Write a compelling listing description that highlights what makes your cabin special. And you could even use the help of ChatGPT. Be very clear and honest about the house rules, the check-in procedures, and what's included. Respond quickly to guest inquiries. Airbnb rewards hosts with better visibility for prompt replies. Also, encourage guests to leave reviews by making their stay seamless. The more 5-star reviews you have, the higher your listing will rank and the more bookings you will secure. So there you have it, my top 5 tips for turning your cabin into an Airbnb goldmine. Whether it's creating a memorable theme, optimizing your photos, or providing top-notch amenities, these strategies can help you stand out and succeed in competitive short-term rental markets. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real estate tips and mountain living advice. And if you are ready to take the next step with your Big Bear property, out to me. I'd love to help you turn your cabin dreams into a reality. Thanks again for watching. I'm Rachael Smith with Remax and Big Bear. Talk to you soon. Bye.